A Nigerian lawyer has gone viral after posting a video of himself teaching an empty classroom, allegedly due to his students failing to show up for the lecture. The professor, demonstrating his dedication to his students, recorded a video of himself standing in front of a completely deserted lecture hall, delivering a lecture on a topic in his course with no one present. The video was shared on social media platform X, formerly known as Twitter, where it quickly gained attention. According to the post, the professor decided to go ahead with his lecture and filmed the session as a proof of his commitment. Despite the absence of his students, he wanted to ensure that there was evidence that he had shown up and was prepared to teach, even though no students attended his class. The video has sparked a variety of reactions from social media users. Some praised the professor for his unwavering dedication, while others voiced concerns about the students' lack of respect and commitment to their education. The incident has sparked a larger conversation about the attitude of students towards learning and the challenges faced by educators.
Program for the semester, but unfortunately, the students are yet to be seen, to be found. But I'm happy that Dr. Sunday Jonathan, who happens to be the students' advisor for the department and the quality assurance director of the department as well.
Share your thoughts with us in the comment box section below and keep watching Naija Nrws TV for more news updates. Please stay tuned.